Hi there, I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive, and I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe and handle payments on the WeStrive platform, which is now available in over 30 countries worldwide. All right, so I heard you're ready to start using WeStrive payments to collect client invoices on our platform. We're currently available in over 30 countries worldwide, and our payment system is powered by Stripe. It's an amazing system that allows you to scale quickly by processing one-time or monthly payments with your clients. The best part? We won't charge you any additional fees to utilize our payment system. You can connect to Stripe from the homepage, but let's do it from the Billings tab today. Simply just hit Connect to get started. First things first, if you're not already set up on WeStrive, choose any payment plan. You can always change this later, and it won't affect your free trial if you're new to WeStrive. From here, simply add your address, city, zip code, state, phone number, and the last 4 of your SSN. This information is private to Stripe and Stripe alone. The WeStrive admin have zero access to any of this data. After selecting Verify, Stripe will take between 5 and 15 minutes to verify your data. Since you have a Stripe Connect account through WeStrive, you're basically running your own business through Stripe, and thus they want to confirm your identity. Stripe might come back with an error such as address is invalid or you need to enter your ID. Simply for the address, re-enter a valid address and resubmit. And then from time to time, they will ask to verify with your photo ID. This is completely random and might occur if they notice something strange with your SSN, date of birth, name, etc. Once you're set up with Stripe, you can start making money on WeStrive. Clients can easily be billed one time or monthly, and the process is incredibly simple. If you want to send an invoice, you can do so from the quick access bar at the top right of the screen. Once you push save, your client will receive an email with a link for them to head to train.westriveapp.com. If they have the mobile app, this is basically the only time they'll ever use the website since the mobile app covers everything except for payments. From their homepage, all they have to do is push pay, it will open up a new window, they just have to add their debit or credit card to Stripe, and then push pay once more. And after that first time, all they need to do is log in and just push the pay button and you'll get paid. It's super easy, and that's it. You can also head to the Sales FAQ to learn how the sales page works with Stripe. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out at help@westriveapp.com. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to smile, and definitely do not forget to keep striving.